Viewers all over the world, I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as GOMS. Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. Okay? So let's consider episode 20. Yes, question episode 20. You say find the inverse of the matrix Q equals to open bracket and close 2, then 4, then minus 1, minus 3. Okay, so first and foremost, what is matrix? Matrix is an array of number in rows and columns. Matrix is the array of number in rows and columns. That is to say, matrix appear in rows and columns. And matrix in which the rows and columns are equal are known as what? Square matrix. So this is a square matrix. This is a 2 by 2. We call it a matrix of order 2 by 2 because the row is 2 while the column is 2. That is 2 by 2 matrix. So we are asked to find the inverse of what? The matrix Q. So analysis and solution. Let's start by saying Q inverse. So how do you do that? What you do is this. You first of all find the word determinant. Determinant of a what? Of a 2 by 2 matrix, because this is 2 by 2 matrix. What do I mean by determinant? Let's assume that you have a what? A, B, C, D. Okay? You are asked to find the determinant of this. This is 2 by 2, just like this. You use the word D to multiply with A, so you have A, D minus what? Then B, C. So you are using a word AD minus what? BC for you to get your what? Your determinant. For you to get your determinant. So that does it. That is how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So that is what we first of all do here. So let's state how the answer will look like. So we will find the determinant of Q, which is this, but the answer will be in this form: reciprocal of the determinant of Q. This is determinant, this is sign of determinant. Then here, what you do here, this is what diagonal elements. You have to interchange the diagonal element. This is diagonal element, you have to interchange it. This is 2, this is minus 3. So minus 3 will come in the position of 2, while 2 will come in the position of 3. So here you have a minus 3, and here you write 2. So I have changed the diagonal element. Then the off diagonal element, you have to, assign their give them their sign. Because in matrix, there's what we call a cofactor. Cofactor is where you consider the sign of each element of a matrix. There's always a sign that through which you will recognize the element in a matrix. There's what we call chessboard, just like plus, minus, plus. Then minus, plus, minus. Then plus, minus, plus. This is how it will continue. Okay? If you check what is here, this is 2 by 2 matrix. It means that our first element will be plus, the second one will be negative. And yeah, this one will be negative, then this one will be plus. You understand? So based on that, then if this one is negative, then you assign it is negative. Yeah, from here. If this one is negative, already negative is here, negative will turn to plus. So from the chessboard here, this is where you determine their respective sign. This is where you determine their respective sign. Right? So this and this, you can see it. So this is how it will look. Okay? Then, but we have not known the determinant of a Q. So here and above, but the determinant of Q now, for you to find the determinant of Q is not from here. Go to the real question, which is minus 3 times 2. So you have 2 times minus 3 minus So you are using the distances, the minus. This minus is always in the formula. Minus is always in the formula, you know. So minus, this is open bracket. You have a what? 4 times minus 1. Okay? So what I have just done is this. I say 2 times minus 3. This is this. Minus, this minus is always there. Then this is, you use this one to multiply this. That is 4 times minus 1. So automatically you have what? 2 times minus 3 will give you minus what? 6. Okay, then minus open bracket, yes. This is what? That is a minus 4 here. So automatically you have a minus 6. Minus times minus will give you plus 4. So here, so you discover that our determinant will be minus 6 plus 4 will give you minus 2. So minus 2. So it means that the inverse, Q inverse equals to what? That is minus 2. Yes, open bracket, what? Minus 3. Then 1. Okay, this 1. 1. This is minus 4. And this is 2. Okay? So this is the answer to this question. So what it means is this. So it means that we can go further if you have written this. Okay, let me come up here to finish it up. Okay. So, well, let me clean this place if for us to get our final destination. Then I can now say Q inverse equals to this one. It means this is minus 3 all over minus 2. So minus 4 all over minus 2. Then here you have your this is minus 2, and this is what? Minus 2 all over 2. Okay, so let me clean this place. Okay, so finally we have equals to, so look up, this one will give me 3 over 2. Then here you have what? 2 into this. Here you have the sentinels minus half, and here you have the sentinels 1. So this is the answer. You either stop here or you proceed to this place. This is the answer to that. This is the answer to this question. So I think with this, we can equally take S size. Can equally take what? S size. You know? Can equally take S size. Okay. So let's let me clean this side and see if we can take S size. Yes. Equally take S size. Okay, so the first one is we are asked to what? The first one. So if T equals to minus 2, 3, and minus 5, then 8. They say find what? T inverse. And find T inverse. Find inverse of T. And we're asked to find inverse of T. So the answer to this is what? Minus 8, minus 5, then 3, then 2. This is the answer. Then question 2. Yes, question 2. We're asked to say find Find the inverse of the matrix. And the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix. And the inverse of the matrix. Another 1, 3, 1, 5. So answer to this one also. Answer to this is 5/2, then minus 1/2, minus then minus 3/2. Then here we have half. So this is the answer to this. So I think that is all. Viewers all over the world, we've been able to also see, yes, how to sort out the inverse of 2/2 matrix. We've gotten the answer, and this is the exercise. So please, just go through it, then you solve this. And if you are right, if you get it correctly, then you mark yourself good. And you can take more exercise on your own. So that's it. Thanks.